Hey, what's going on? I'm Pierre. Welcome to Frenchitude. If you want to learn real French, the kind people actually speak, you are in the right place. I'm a native French speaker, a former adult trainer, and a big language enthusiast. This is Learn French, how to say hello and introduce yourself, lesson 1. In this lesson, you learned how to say hello, introduce yourself, and ask simple questions. It's quick, clear, and practical. Just repeat after me. Let's go. Part 1. Say hello. In French, to say hello, you say bonjour. Repeat. Bonjour. Great. It means good day and you can use it all day long. Pour le soir, tu peux dire bonsoir. Repeat. Bonsoir. Part 2. Say your name. No, let's say your name. In French, we say je m'appelle plus your name. Repeat. Je m'appelle Jean. Perfect. Part 3. Ask a simple question. And how do you ask someone their name? Easy. Comment tu t'appelles? Repeat. Comment tu t'appelles?
Wow.
Nice job. Part 4. Say where you are from. No, let's say where you are from. Je viens de plus your country. Repeat. Je viens des USA. Repeat. Je viens du Canada. Repeat. Je viens de Slovaquie. It means I come from Slovakia. You can change the country, of course. Part 5. Mini quiz. Ready for a quick quiz? I will ask question. Try to answer out loud. First question. Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Pierre. Nice. Second question. Tu viens d'où? Je viens des USA. Awesome. Question 3. Tu parles français? Oui, je parle français. Ou non, je ne parle pas français. Very good. Bravo! You have just learned your first real French conversation. You can now say hello, introduce yourself, and ask questions. It's a strong start. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. More lessons are coming soon. If you want to practice, rewatch and repeat. That's how you make progress. See you in the next lesson. À bientôt.